dirty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Hello. It's the 4th of July. I'm gonna be vlogging today. 4th of July festivities. And I might vlog tomorrow too because we're gonna go to the beach. Spend the day with me. We're getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready to leave. Say hello to the vlog. It's currently 12:26. We're gonna go get breakfast. And then we're gonna go to my house. And then we're gonna go to Evangeline's house to get clothes. We're gonna go swimming and then have a barbecue at the pool. See where the day takes us. Catch y'all later. Peace out. Hello. I just went home and got stuff. And now we're gonna go visit Jess at work. I have a headband now. Very festive. But look, we're on the way. This is gonna be my first time seeing her at work. On her new job. I'll see you guys at Jess's work. We made it to Jess's work.
Go away! Go away!
Table for 3, please.
You can't even eat here.
Well. I'm gonna take some toothpicks, mind if I do?
Let me just take a pencil real quick.
Get some hand sanding.
Nice seeing you.
Oh no, you're a sign-up. Do you work here? Hire me. That'd be $15.
I found her car and I'm gonna put her windshield wipers on. Bruh, we tried to get canes right now and guess what? They were closed. Like, what? So messed up.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, we are currently waiting for Man Ray at Ralph's.
Matthew and Raylene.
Yeah. We are at Ralph's. We're gonna get stuff to barbecue.
I remember coming here one day. Me on the other hand.
Oh yeah, let's talk about it. In the crowd.
You know what I want to talk about? That 99 shooter you're taking.
You're taken. You're taken. Oh my gosh, they almost got hit.
Bro.
They almost got hit.
They don't give no fudge.
Boondock. Boondock.
So glad to be separated from. America. They're the mom and dad of the group.
No, yeah, no.
Look at them.
Give me head top.
Distracted.
Someone was asking us questions.
We were.
This is the spread.
The spread.
These spreads.
Going to the pool.
And
I will always love you.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a boy to lose and love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place.
Our food is ready. Everybody's still getting their stuff. I'm gonna start eating because I'm hungry. Let's do a taste test. Delish. Taste plate.
Oh yeah. And let's try.
Do a taste test.
10 out of 10. This is 4th of July.
This is what 4th of July is. With our festive plates.
Have a good wiener.
This is the spread. Wiener and burger. I love burger. Burger is my favorite meal. Burger good.
I love wieners.
But yeah, that's the update. We're gonna enjoy this. We are gonna go swimming. We're gonna go swimming. Catch y'all later.
Like, let's go. And just like let your.
Fuck off. 4th of July fit check. We're all wearing blue jeans.
I'm gonna fart.
This is not red, but it's like giving red. Blue
week, and I know
jeans.
it's done.
Oh my god.
In practice. Someone definitely ripped that.
Definitely.
We're going out.
Bada, jorts, black socks.
We're all like color coordinators.
And we're off.
And here we go.
Up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free.
Stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more.
We made it, but it was hard to find parking. But it's cracking lacking. Oh, you can't even see me. Hey, hey, gee, gee. We're outside! We're outside! This better be the best park show I've ever seen in my life.
No, literally.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Is it recording?
Yeah. There was a bug. We're running because I think it started!
This is the street.
Wow, this is a lot of people.
There's so many people here. I was not expecting this at all.
The paralyzed, never fun is not. It's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away.
It just ended. It was so perfect. Look at them. They're running. Why are you running? Just gotta ignite.
Make it go!
Guys, we're all together.
I'll take another 9 shooter. I'll take another one though.
Take it.
Okay. Okay.
Guess where we're going?
Fully washing my feet.
We're going to the beach. It's 1:23. We woke up like an hour ago. We had a crazy night.
We don't ever stop.
We don't. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
She was supposed to go to Canada, but she ended up not going.
Yeah, so I'm not like prepared.
So she's coming to the beach with us. Mac, cause Mac is my name. I like to drink it Mac, cause he gets it down and goes 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and geek. Hey, period.
We're at the beach.
2 shots of Class A. I'm feeling it.
Off we go. We're doing a Five Below run.
Five Below. I've been waiting to come here for so long.
This is like Evangeline's first time coming.
Oh my god, are we popping her cherry?
But she said she's been once. But like,
All of her?
excuse me? Five Below. Successful trip. Show them what you got. Show them what you got.
I found cheetah car mats, what a steal, and a pink lamp.
Yes.
I got the water balloons, mini pail,
We all got mini pails.
and a towel.
You got it?
Yes!
So cute.
It's gorge.
She's gonna wear it right now.
That's cute.
Let's go to the beach.
You and your shovels.
I got a pail and 2 large shovels.
Yes, purple lines. We're so ready.
We're so ready. Successful trip. We're ready for the beach.
For support.
What does the top say?
333.
Oh.
Look how cute.
What did you get?
Oh, I like her.
I got this like a year and a half ago, and it's just now running out. So I got a new one. Did I spray myself in the store with it? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
And then I got this cute little.
I love that. Oh,
I love.
the dino.
Make them into earrings.
Do they like
But success. We got good things. Good find.
We're ready.
Beach, here we come.
3E3. Right.
We're munching. We have arrived.
Make yourself a wrap.
Yeah, this is so parking spot. Like, just let's park right.
It was hard to find parking in GL.
You're gonna get eaten up in volleyball.
What?
In volleyball.
Oh.
In volleyball.
Oh. Cut the camera.
That ain't my. I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it.
Ow! Oh my god, there's a bug on me. Hurt. Ow!
Girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them.
One day I'll be part of that world. Like flies away.
What up, everybody? We're here in Laguna Beach.
Would it be possible to get like a BB?
Oh yeah.
Her dream car.
That is your car. That matches
Oh my god,
so
it
well.
It looks so good
so
next
big.
to you.
She's gonna have that car.
She is.
Hey, what's up, you guys? We are on the streets of Laguna Beach, and
Here, and let's
we
see
don't
the
really know
shop.
where we're going. We're just walking around.
We're at lot 5.
Lot 5.
Lucky Bobby.
Who the fuck? Me? TV hit it.
You fucking freaks.
Wait, hold on.
Guys, is this a 69?
That's so good. 6 right out here.
We just went into this cute antique store,
Like a knick-knack store.
knick-knack store. It's cute in there.
Which way should we go?
Like sexy red or anything.
I don't know how to grab. Like that?
Yeah, yes.
Are on the main beach in Laguna Beach, California, and this is just one of my favorite beaches to come to. I mean, it speaks for itself. But yeah, soon I'll be leaving the county of Orange, and this is one of the places that you should come visit if you're in California.
The dog is sad.
Hey guys, Matthew here. We just finished up at the beach right now. We're about to head back either to Justin's or I think Comida. Comida, it would seem. We were just walking around on this little beachfront here in Laguna, and you can't even see me. Hello, but I did see some very fine men.
That go gotta up.
Half a fetch. But yeah, so we're heading back now, I think, to get food. We're about to walk to the car. This is where we are.
Wow,
We
rhyming.
need to hit the bar. Shrimp tartare. Thank you. Not me. Standing like this. like touching my back.
That way is.
I could talk. I was like, so cute and little.
Did you see this?
I'm not doing that. Oh. Cheese. Hi everyone, it's Ray. Welcome back to the vlog. This is my dream car. I will be in this one day. Trust, I'm manifesting because today is the day for manifesting. But we're out here in Laguna. Totes so fun. Oh no, I'm falling behind. But right now we're just walking to the car. We just got some ice cream. Just here for the vibes. I think we are planning to go to Olive Garden, but we shall see. But the night is still young. It's only 7:41. So it's a fun day today. The beach is just such good vibes. But yeah, so that's the latest update, and we will see you guys in the car hopefully when we take a few more swigs. Let's see if we can get that in. But yeah, we will see you guys soon. Cyro, how do I end this? Oh.
We have made it to Olive Garden.
Yes!
Matt just woke up from a nappy nap. He fell
Forced to
asleep.
drink yet again.
Take water. Duh.
Hydrated.
Hydrate. We're gonna eat some good food.
Long.
Let's do it again. They left the cheese grater here. We don't know how to act.
She left it here for us.
Just a Zealand.
That's good.
Bitch, are you from Italy?
That's good. That's good.
Oh, good.
That's good.
Zealand?
Food has arrived.
Skilly dirt, make it burp. Try some.
Skiddly dip, make it burp.
First bite.
So is that good now? So is that
Everybody's quiet now.
Yes.
We finished eating. Very full. But so delicious.
Hey guys, welcome to Olive Garden. Tonight, what can I get started for you guys? Any drinks?
some respect?
Can I get an AMF?
Sure. Can I see your California validated so I can prove that you're 21?
It's in the car, actually.
Oh, okay. I trust you.
Okay, thank you. Finished eating, full, satisfied,
Bellies.
everything
Hot
is
worker,
good.
hot worker.
Got out of his car. I said, "Ooh, hot worker."
How are you feeling?
I'm just thinking about squishing right now. Oh my god.
I won't breathe.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm just like full, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to squish in the back seat.
Last 10 more minutes. It is only 10. Only 10. That is too soon.
It's way too much.
On the way home now.
On the way home.
What a day.
We have 10 more minutes.
You good?
Oops. Hello, vlog. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Yeah. We're just gonna bake cookies, do Bean Boozled. So check out my TikTok to watch the video, or whoever's.
Tune in.
Yes.
Be there.
Tune in. Be there, be square.
Truly.
Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and
Comment down below what you did for 4th of July.
yes, comment down below. Comment down below what you did and if you tried Bean Boozled. Peace out. Till next time.
Deuces.
Bye bye.